Sardinia seems to be a bit like paradise in Europe, so let's have a look onto the next Hilton branded property in the south of the island. It's coming up. There are two Hilton branded hotels in Domus de Maria. One is the Conrad, and directly opposite you find the Baia di Chia Resort Sardinia, a curio collection hotel with a completely different character. In April 22, the hotel was still in renovation, and we are really grateful for the chance of getting a private tour before opening. We start with a King Deluxe room. The rooms are not super large but have a great terrace with an amazing view onto the lagoon. The hotel consists of several small buildings spread across the hill, which gives this hotel a completely unique style and feeling. You are surrounded by nature, and in contrast to the Conrad, where you need a buggy to get to the beach, the Curio has direct beach access. The more you walk up the hill, the more impressive the view. To get an impression of different rooms, we also walk through a one-bedroom suite with sea view, room 41. While the bedroom is quite similar, the bathroom is definitely larger. Moreover, there is a fancy dining area and a small living room next to the awesome terrace. From up here you can have a wonderful view onto sunrise if you get up early in the morning. It's a completely different style of hotel compared to the Conrad, and if you want the mix, you can simply cross the street and try the restaurants over there. We'll definitely be back to try it out. Molte grazie al signor D'Amore per il tour attraverso l'hotel. And what can you do on Sardinia? One of the highlights are the Nuraghe. There are more than 7,000 of these 4,000-year-old ancient buildings across the island. One of the most impressive is located close to Barumini, 1.5 hours away from the hotel. The archaeological site in Nora is only 25 minutes away and also a nice place to walk and relax. Nora was an important trading town in former times with 2 protected harbors. Several different building styles can be seen in the excavated buildings. And finally, there are some real impressive beaches without hotels being directly next to it, which gives it a unique experience. See you out there. You're Alex from GaiaDreams.com.